Exponent Properties Project by Bailey Sad. Zero exponent. The zero exponent rule basically says that any base with an exponent of 0 is equal to 1. For example, x to the exponent 0 equals 1, and that is a Google search definition. My definition is the zero exponent rule means that a base with an exponent 0 will automatically make the answer 1, which is my definition. And here are some examples of the zero exponent rule. Negative exponents. A negative exponent just means that the base is on the wrong side of the fraction line, so that you need to flip the base to the other side, which is the Google definition. My definition is the negative exponent means that when an exponent is negative, you move the negative to the bottom of the fraction line and make it positive, making it the denominator. That's my definition. And then some examples are on the bottom. And there's some more examples. Multiply powers of the same base. Secondly, 1 raised to any power is 1. This too is logical because 1 times 1, as many times as you multiply it, is always going to equal to 1. The exponent product rule tells us that when multiplying two powers that have the same base, you can add the exponents, which is a Google search definition. My definition is when multiplying two exponents with the same base, you take the exponents and add them. And there are some examples of multiplying powers with the same base. Dividing powers with the same base. To divide exponents or powers with the same base, subtract the exponents. Division is the opposite of multiplication, so it makes sense that because you add the exponents when multiplying numbers with the same base, you subtract the exponents when dividing numbers with the same base, which is the Google definition. And my definition is this is like multiplying two powers only backwards. Instead, you subtract the exponents with the same base. And those are some examples. Power to a power. A review of the rules for exponents below is list of rules for exponents and an example or two of using each rule. Zero exponent rule, a to the 0 power equals 1. This says that anything raised to the 0 power is 1, which is the Google search definition. My definition is basically anything that has a power of 0 equals 1. And those are some examples.